This is number 29. It says a survey included the responses from 40 individuals, including kids and parents. Of the 25 kids surveyed, 18 of them preferred creamy peanut butter. 12 adults said they preferred chunky peanut butter. Which statement is not true regarding the survey responses? Whenever they give you a set of information like this, one of the things that's helpful is to put this into a chart. So I'm going to put this into a two-way table. So we're going to start here. Now, the people that I have surveyed would be kids, and then I also have parents. That would comprise some of my information regarding the joint frequencies here, but then I want that marginal frequency, which often, or always comes from the total column. Now, we also have creamy peanut butter as one item. We have crunchy. So there's where my joint frequencies could come from, but we're going to add that total column, which would create these marginal frequencies here. Now, let's get into our information. A survey included the responses from 40 individuals, so the total amount of people surveyed would be 40. Of the 25 kids surveyed, so that means that there are a total of 25 kids surveyed. So I already know right here I could do 25 or 40 minus 25, which would give me 15 here for my adults. It says, of the 25 kids surveyed, 18 of them preferred creamy peanut butter. So 18 right here. So that means that if I did 25 minus 18, that puts me as 7 here for those that preferred the crunchy. It said 12 adults said they preferred the crunchy peanut butter. So from these adults, or the parents, we had 12 of them that liked the crunchy. So if we did 15 minus 12, that puts 3 parents saying they liked the creamy. Now we're going to go ahead and just add straight across here. 18 plus 3 would be 21. And then 7 plus 12 would be 19. And then you can double check to make sure you did everything right, because 25 plus 15 should give you 40, which it does. And 21 plus 19 should give you 40, which it does. So likely you set everything up correctly. If these did not come to the same total, you would have known that you've done something wrong. Now it says, which statement is not true? Of the respondents who preferred the chunky peanut butter, sorry, I put crunchy, it's chunky. Let me fix that. Chunky. Of the respondents that preferred the chunky peanut butter, approximately 37% are kids. Well, whenever they use the word of, you got to follow it all the way through. Of those that prefer chunky peanut butter. So that means we're looking at our total of those that like chunky peanut butter. There's 19 of them. It says 37% are kids. So let's look at how many kids we had. Of those that like the chunky, we had 7 here. So let's go ahead and change that to a decimal. We want to do 7 divided by 19. And that is going to give me approximately 36.8% or 37%. So we're looking for what's not true. This one seems to check out. It says 21 respondents stated a preference for chunky peanut butter. Well, let's look. How many total people did we say liked chunky peanut butter? 21 respondents said a preference for chunky peanut butter. We had 19. That's not true. That's probably our answer, but let's keep going. 7.5% represents the joint percentage of the respondents in the group of adults who preferred the creamy peanut butter. When you're looking at this, it's a joint percentage, which means we're taking these numbers here and comparing it to the total. So let's look at all the information that we're supposed to find in this, because that was pretty wordy. We're looking for a group of adults who preferred creamy peanut butter. So the parents who preferred creamy. So we're taking that 3 out of 40. And when we do that, we're going to get that is about 0.75% or 0.075%. Wow, I'm having a problem here. So let's do this. Move that decimal twice. So 7.5% matches. Sorry about that. And then the last one here says 0.625 represents the marginal frequency of kid respondents. To find the marginal frequency, you're basically looking at this compared to the total. So we want to take the amount of kids we had, 25, divided by the 40, and what that's going to give you is 0.625, which actually matches. So that confirms that answer choice B was the incorrect survey information, which is our answer to this problem.